In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WordPress not sending emails on Hostinger. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Begin inside your WordPress dashboard by installing and activating an email logging plugin. Once active, open its status or logs section and send a few test messages to different addresses. This helps confirm whether WordPress is attempting to send mail at all, and the logs will reveal any immediate errors or bounce messages to guide the next steps. Next, go to Settings then General in WordPress and double-check the administration email address. This address should be correct and spelled exactly as your intended contact mailbox, so system notifications don't get misdirected. Now switch to your Hostinger H panel. Open the Emails area and select Manage for the email account you're working with. Click the three-dot icon for your domain and open Settings. If email delivery seems stuck, try deactivating the email account and then click Update to reinitialize it. This simple refresh can clear transient issues on the server side. While still in Manage Email Accounts, copy and save your email address. This will be your SMTP username later in the Mail plugin. Use the three-dot icon again and choose Change Password to set a secure password for the account. After that, go to Connect Apps and Devices on the left sidebar to view the outgoing server configuration. Take a screenshot or note the outgoing server hostname and port. You'll need these exact values for SMTP host and port in your WordPress mail settings. Back in WordPress, open the WP Mail SMTP Setup Wizard and click Let's Get Started. When prompted to choose an SMTP mailer, pick Other SMTP. Enter the SMTP host and port. Values you obtained from Hostinger, use the saved email as the SMTP username, and supply the new password you created. Save your changes and proceed to the next setup page. On the feature selection page, leave improved email deliverability and email error tracking enabled by default, unless you have a specific reason to change them. These options help messages reach inboxes and let you diagnose problems more easily. Finally, inspect your contact form settings. In the dashboard, go to Contact, then Contact Forms, hover over the form you use and click Edit. Open the Mail tab and verify the From and To fields. The From address should use the same domain as your site, and the To address must be a correctly formatted mailbox. If any errors appear, follow the error links in the plugin logs to resolve them. With these settings aligned, your WordPress site should be able to send email reliably through Hostinger.